So we have here this eau de perfume, which is Armaf, Legesi. Let's smell it. I'm not an expert to this. I just want to say if it smells good or not. I'm not good into perfumes, but I like perfumes. Oh, it looks so cool. The box looks so nice. See? It's like that. It doesn't open all the way. And then the inside is very cute. Oh, I like this. I like the packaging though. It's cute. Very, very cute. Okay. I think it reflects my face. There you go. It's in rose gold color. Oopsie. Now we have to smell it. So let's try how to smell. What is this? Oh, there's this one here. Interesting. Oh, so when you put it in and you pull it up, oh really? There's a ribbon inside, see that? It doesn't need to have this, but look, it's an extra stuff. This one is for what? I don't know. I don't get it. Maybe to pull this one on the side? Oh, alright. Okay. Now let's try the smell. This one. It smells good. It smells floral, fruity. I like it. At first it's not strong, but it's kind of strong now. But it's not bad. I really like it. It reminds me of something else. Some kind of perfume, but I don't know. I'm not good in perfumes, but I can recommend this for, I think, ages 20 to 30 to 40-ish. Well, perfume depends on your body chemistry, so what's good on me doesn't mean it's good on you. But I really like the smell of this. It's not suffocating. It's strong, but it's not suffocating. I don't know how to say the notes. You can read from the back. What's in here? Whatever fragrance they put in here, the ingredients, blah 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 blah. But the notes, I don't know. I just know if it's a good smell or not. I'm not into the notes of the perfume. I'm into the smell. I just want to smell. It's kind of fruity and sweet and fresh. I think it's good. So I recommend this to somebody. Yeah, I will recommend it to somebody. The packaging too is cute. That's what I like the most, just the packaging. I'm into the packaging. I'm collecting perfumes.